This is professional vehicle cleaning at any location. You're on the Winning Edge Car Wash mobile detailing channel.
Yeah, you can just give it to me at the end,
sure.
and I'll take care of it. I appreciate it, man.
I'll move it out for you.
No, you good. I'm just gonna park it right there.
It's a manual.
I got it. I know how to race.
Do you really?
Yeah. I grew up racing. I do.
Really? What you do? What?
So I race over there in Ocala.
Yeah.
They have the bull ring, the dirt track. I race over there, race go-karts there, dirt bikes. I used to race at Hard Rock, and
those are two different entirely.
it is,
things,
but you know what I'm saying, I'm older now. You know, I can't afford to get my shoulder dislocated again, and that's pretty much what killed me back in 2017. I was working and I got my shoulder dislocated on my YZ250F over at Hard Rock, and I was like, I gotta work, so you know, gotta do what's safer, which is the go-karts.
Yeah.
So,
I raced around a little. I mean,
like I said, I'm gonna just put it right there, and I'll put it back and ring the doorbell.
all right.
Thank you, man. Have a good day. All right, good morning, guys. We got this Mazda 6 that we doing for a customer today. We doing a free exterior wash to show how good the Second Amendment wheel cleaner works. These wheels, as y'all can see, they probably never get cleaned. So we're gonna put some of this Second Amendment wheel cleaner on here and see how well it cleans without any agitation. And then we're gonna wash the rest of the car with some wash and wax, sparkle protection soap, and give it back to the customer, nice and clean. And we're gonna also today, we're probably gonna start using the golden gloss tire shiner there. I think I have a little bit more platinum in my sprayer. And I ain't gonna leave a lie to you. I forgot to grab some more platinum before I left today. We're gonna see how well this works. All right, here we go. Yo. Hey man, I'm out here doing more than you doing. What you talking about? Where you at? What you doing? Yeah. Yeah. All I can say is Keisha was on that phone. What it is. Right. Oh, yo, bro, I always put 6% on top of my bill when I'm charging somebody. In order to get everything. $3.25, whatever they. Free money off of you making money. I got it right. That part. Right. Yup. Took her to go get some pizza at the Stone It's called Humble something, but it's down there by Depot Park. But they do like the little stone fire pieces stuff. And we sat down up under the lights and just had a talk and, you know, just chill. Went back to, you know, give her what she asked for. What's up, y'all? Y'all can see we're using the Total Clarity on the wheels just to get a little final white of anything, any smears left behind to make these wheels look perfect. We use the Second Amendment wheel cleaner to start off with and knock all the brake dust off. Put it with some Ultradon degreaser to loosen up anything that was left over, and a final wipe down with the Total Clarity. And that's what the system's for. So y'all check it out. Let's give it back to the customer.
So, well, you have to wash it too.
What do you mean? That's part of the whole service.
Yeah,
Nah, man, I said a free car wash. That's a free car wash.
That's right.
Check it out. I'm gonna let you bring it back up here because I always let my customers hop in the clean car. The Google review is the most important thing for me. You took care of that?
I'm gonna. Is that to there?
Yeah. If you just Google Winning Edge Car Wash, I should pull up on Google. That's like the most important thing.
I will do that next.
I got you. All right. So this is what I was talking about with your wheels, right? The
I wish I had a before. Did you got a before?
No, I'll have the video. I'll send you the video when I make it. But basically, that's the whole point of what I'm doing. So I'm coming out, showing people.
They look fantastic.
They brand new again, right? So the product is called Second Amendment Wheel Cleaner, right? So it's basically to get your wheels back how it looks, and then we got other products that, you know, make it look good, you know, the shininess of the car, all that good stuff. So
All right, man.
I really appreciate the opportunity, man. Thank you so much.
Hey, no problem.
Remember, Google review. All right. Thank you.